That's with me, Quinn. We're gonna make a video. Here we go. We need our water. We need our timer. We need our scooper, and we need a tumbler. How you make a party snack. And a little one. Some glitters. We got green here, pink here. What's that pink? Purple and red. Let's start making. First, we add red into the water. Let me get a clip of this. Don't want to drop it in there. We just want to put it in. Alright, now we got our red in. It is time to put it away. Me putting away. Next about, we need all the glitters to go in there. This one's going to go in there. We're going to eat these for the end. Okay. We're going to get these back and put them back where they go. Then we're going to get the screen in here. Oops. That was a little too much. Whisk. Alright, now we got all our colors in. Let me show you. Wow. Just gonna stir up and I'll be ready. Now we need our mixer. Alright, now we're gonna mix it up. That mixing is helping it. Some colors. Now we got some of those. Wow. Glitter. Now some dye. And get meow. Yep, that's meow. Get this green. Dump it in. Pop, drop, drop. I'm gonna show you one. Let's get my blue. Alright, open it carefully. Drop it. This one's out. I'm gonna get some green. Opening up. Drop. And in there. Alright, that's going to be enough dye. Now that I dye and glitter, time to stir it up again. So I'm going to get my mixer and we're going to mix it up. Again, oops, sorry about the mixer, it's broken these days. We're not losing the mixer, it's broken these days. Gotta lose something else. With loose. Be right back. I gotta get something else. This. What is this? Mix it up. I got that. Put it back in there. And now we're get our something on mold. See where that's that. Ooh. Yeah, I can't read that. We're gonna use needle candy. Now I'm gonna to make this a drink. Here we go. Oh. I can't make drinks. Alright. This is going to be hard. Oh, you don't need a mixer. We are going to use this to mix it up. For now, I'm going to see exactly where how it looks like. It is stands on our own, I think. Let's try this as standing again. Alright, and it looks like. And let's take it away. Now my favorite part. Get in sunlight. I'm gonna put this in sunlight. See timer here. We're gonna set it for. I'm not gonna set the. Well, that I'm gonna put. That's in there. We're going to set it 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ding! And we're done. I'm going to go get that in the sunlight. Bye, guys.